So one of our feel-good success stories here at Innovative Dental Aesthetics occurred several years ago when I met this individual for the first time when he came in the office. He really did not have good body language, did not have good posture, confidence was lacking, and it all stemmed from his smile, or his inability to smile, I should say. After really getting to know him, he really had struggled as a child. That's where a lot of these anxieties and phobias stemmed from, was back in childhood, and it really affected him throughout most of his life. I was honored to be a part of his team and treatment coordinators who kind of generate a plan for him that would rebuild not only his oral health, but his overall health and confidence. I think people kind of forget that when you're not confident in your smile and you are not able to chew food properly, what do we do mostly with other people? It's eating. So when you can't chew properly, you're removing yourself from social interactions, usually around food, which is for the best celebrations we have, whether it's holidays or social events or professional events, usually involves food. If you can't participate in those events, I could see where it really affected his self-confidence. So after much deliberation and thoughtful planning, we created a treatment plan for him where we were able to rebuild his mouth, create kind of the confidence, stability, comfort, and support he was looking for in a new smile, and just radically changed his life. He was able to flourish and blossom, pursue some of these things in his social and professional life that he felt he was lacking. And not that there's a direct correlation, but several months later, he won a small jackpot in a local lottery, and he had the big cardboard check cut out with his new smile, and I can only think that I may have played a small role in that victory.